Hi friends, Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about swing trading. First, we will try to understand what is swing trading. Then we will try to understand what is the best strategy. If you are a trader, swing trading strategy is one of the best trading strategies that you can use while you're trading. But you must do it the right way. Then only you will be able to be a successful trader using swing trading strategy. So, what is swing trading strategy? Swing trading is a strategy which technical traders use, where the traders are trying to take advantage of the short term and the medium term movements that are happening in the price. So, if the price is going up, they will put a buy, and as the price turns its direction and start coming down, they will exit the trade, and when the price start moving downwards, they will put a sell, and as the price start turning back up, they will exit the trade, and then they will put a buy. So this is basically swing trading. So the goal in swing trading is very simple: to capture the swings within the price movements. Very simple. As it sounds simple, it is not actually very simple in the live market. Now, number one, to understand swing trading properly, one should understand what are the different types of trends in the market. Now, there are three types of trends in the market. One is an uptrend, the second is a downtrend, and third is a sideways trend. Now, when the market is moving in an upward direction, the swings towards the upside is always longer, and the swing towards the downside is always shorter. So, this is very important as a technical trader that you need to understand. When the market is falling down, the waves towards down will be more longer compared to the waves going up. So this is the advantage that a swing trader should take. Now in a sideways market, the market is moving between support and resistance. But there is no clarity. The price will not exactly touch a support zone and bounce back up, or touch a resistance zone and bounce back down. There is no clarity on this. Sometimes the price might turn before it reaches the resistance zone, turn back down. Sometimes the price will touch the resistance zones and then turn back down. Sometimes the price might go above the resistance zone and come back down. So in a sideways market, it becomes risky. Now, it is not that all your trades will hit a stop loss, but your profitability ratio in trading has to be high. It has to be at least 50% of your trades hit take profit. Then only you will become a successful trader with a win ratio of 1 is to 2. That means if you are risking 1% of your equity and every time you win, you are getting 2% of your equity. That is called 1 is to 2, risk to reward ratio. So in that case, if you enter 10 trades and in 5 trades you are getting a profit and your risk to reward is 1 is to 2, then you are going to be a successful trader. You lost 5%, but you gained 10%. So overall, you won 5%, which is a great strategy. So in swing trading, there are multiple strategies. Let us look at one of those strategies. First, identify the trend. How do you identify the trend? You see higher highs and higher lows consistently, at least 2 times. Then you know that the market is in the uptrend. When the market is in an uptrend, you only take swings that are going towards the upward direction. And when the market is in a downtrend, that means you see lower highs and lower lows. That means the market is coming down. And in such scenario, you only take trades in the downward direction. It's as simple as that. Now, this is a real chart. First part is a downtrend. So from here to here is your first move. The price goes up and then the price comes down. Now over here, you can see there is a previous support which gets converted into a resistance. So you might not take this first call. If this is a good downtrend, you might take it, but at least you will take the second one over here. And you can see that you make a good profit from here to here. That's it. You cannot make it till the bottom because as a trader, very difficult. Now say example, in the same example, since we can see the buy also, we will use that too. The price moves from here, comes back down, moves back up, comes back down, goes back up. Now the same thing applies over here. You wait for the price to reach a good resistance area, let it break the resistance and let the previous resistance become a support. Then you enter in this particular area and you can see from here you can make your profit till here. As I always say, there is no foolproof strategy. Okay. Even after looking into all these things, you can hit a stop loss. You can only work on probabilities. So that is why it is very, very important that you control the risk. How do you control your risk? Is by infusing 1% in each trade. Now, a professional trader can go up to 2%, maybe 3% in each trade. But for freshers, I always suggest invest only 0.5% in each trade. This way, you can last longer in the markets. And if you last longer in the markets, 101%, you will learn to make profits and you become a successful trader. So basically, in this video, we try to understand what is swing trading, under what conditions you should actually enter, under what condition you should use swing trading. In an uptrend, you look for only buys, and in a downtrend, you look for only sell. And always remember, risk management plays a very, very important role in any kind of trading, whether it's swing trading or any other trading strategy. Learning trading and becoming a successful trader is all about practice, patience, and persistence. You need to have these three things. Nobody will become successful overnight. So it's very, very important that you give your time to trading. If you got success immediately, great, but keep practicing so you get better at it. Finally, friends, if you love the content that I'm creating, please like and share these videos. So just like you, there might be many other fresh traders or confused traders who would like to understand small things about trading. They can learn more things from these videos. And to get more such updates on trading, investing, finance, banking, personality development, please subscribe to my channel. All I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Namaskar.